This tutorial covers PPK SLAM field collection and software processing. PPK requires setting up a GNSS base station before scanning. For best accuracy, use a survey-grade GNSS antenna with these specifications. 1. Continuous logging with 1-second intervals. 2. RINEX 3.0 plus format support. 3. Multi-constellation, dual or multi-frequency receiver, supporting GPS, Beidou, Galileo, and GLONASS. Position base station within 5 kilometers of survey area. Choose open, stable locations. Avoid buildings, trees, water bodies, and electromagnetic interference. Measure coordinates of the base station location in advance. Install on known point. After setup, measure and record the antenna height. Power on receiver, connect controller, set to static mode. Enter antenna height, set 1-second interval, start logging. Start base station logging 5 minutes before SLAM device to ensure full coverage. Power on SLAM device in open area, connect Lexo Go app, select X-Grid's PPK mode. Device reboots automatically. Reconnect app, tap start. Follow scan route. RTK blue light steady on. After scanning, power off SLAM device first. Keep base station running at least 5 more minutes before shutdown.